We did have some heavy rain yesterday. Today has been a lighter but a steady rain. At least that's what we had this morning. And now we'll start to see more of an intermittent rain and definitely much lighter. Temperatures this noon, you can see them here ranging from the low 40s to the mid 50s. And this is a real decline from what we had earlier this morning and from this time yesterday. Our current temperatures are anywhere from 10 to 22 degrees cooler right now than it was this time yesterday. It's 18 degrees cooler in Central Park. So our temperature trend looks like this. We were at 74 degrees on Tuesday, 72 yesterday, 68 will go down as the high temperature today. We hit that just after midnight, but the walking around temperatures this afternoon in the city in the low 50s, and those will be the high temperatures for both your Friday and Saturday. So as you take a look at your Skycast satellite and radar, you can see what we're looking at right now, which is that heavier rain and certainly the steadier rain has moved offshore. So what we're seeing is lighter rain, right? The cold front continues to push its way through the area. It has moved through most of the area. We're now getting a northerly wind, which is why things have cooled down so much. We're getting a lot of activity along this frontal boundary. So for us, what ends up happening is we are going to see more of an intermittent, a lighter rain, a lull, and then a second batch. Now, we are still looking at Tropical Storm Eta. It made its second Florida landfall this morning just after 4 a.m. So you can see it here. That remnant low will continue to push its way east. This is the track for that system. So it stays well south of our area. And for us, the rain that we're going to see next looks like this. So for some of our northern and western suburbs, you may not see much, maybe just a little bit of drizzle or light rain for you. You can see closer to New York City, parts of New Jersey and Long Island are going to see rain not only this evening, we get a lull overnight, and then we see a little bit more of this rain sort of firing up early tomorrow morning. That will continue through early afternoon potentially. Then we start to see the drying, and that's how we stay for your Saturday. We stay with those nice clear skies, but temperatures obviously will be much cooler. So Saturday, a chilly sunshine, 53 degrees, Sunday 58. It is trending drier, which is good to know because at one point it looked like we'd see rain on Sunday. Now that percentage is down at about 30%. So 68 degrees, I mentioned, was the high today, but more like 54, 52. Walking around in the city this afternoon, that will be the high again tomorrow. And then you see the weekend looking better, but take a look at next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, high temperatures in the upper 40s. Get ready for it. Chris?
Elise, just one of the many advantages of getting up at 3 o'clock like we do. We got a chance to experience that high today.